Now let's do the hard sounds. This is not for the weak. You got to be tough. Here we go. I like in cat. I'm going to do them first, and then you're going to do them, so be ready. E like in hen. I like in pig and itch. I lost myself. Aw like in dog. Like in cup. Now we're going to do the long sounds when they say their name. Here we go. A like in snake. E like in bee. I like in lion. O like in robot. U like in music. If two letters get together and they're the same consonants, you just say it one time. So, like in puff. S like in grass. Z like in fizz. L like in shell. Th like in thumb. W like in whale. Sh like in shark. Ch like like in chair. Oh, there's a humdinger there. F like in photo and on the wall, the phone. If Q and U get together, they say qu like in queen. CK get together on the end of a short vowel word like in duck. Here comes the two vowels go walking. The first one does the talking and he says his name. O like in boat. E like in G. E like in seal. O like in toe. U like in glue. A like in pay. A like in rain. This is weird. When I says its name, he likes to do it with an I-G-H. I like in sight and fight and height. No. Right, like your right hand. Owl's eyes, ooh, say ooh like in moon, but sometimes they say ooh like in cook. Watch that. Y says E on the end of a long word. Y usually says I on the end of a short word. Ow like bow. Ow like mouse. Let me go back a minute. Ow. Sometimes OW says O like snow. Don't forget about that guy. R like in barn. Or like in storm and door. Here come the ers. There's three of them. Like in flower. Like in turtle. Like in bird. This is the one that's on the end of the words, like butter and flour. C says k, 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 like in cat, but sometimes a little tricky. This is soft C. He says like circus, like an S. Don't let tricky. This is G. It says g, 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 like gate, but sometimes a little tricky. And it says J, like giraffe. This is called soft G. ew, like stew and brew. Aw, like when you see puppies. Aw, and haw, and Auburn for some of you. Aw, like paw. Oi, like boy. Here's another one. Oi, like spoiled. Ew. And then there's two silent letters. Night. You got a silent K on that one. Wreck. You got a silent W on that one. Craziness. And this one's just in here because of the number what? 8. It says A. Tricky. If you can't get to that one, it's okay. All right, it's your turn. You're on your own. You ready? Tell me the short vowels. I lost myself again. Long vowels, they say their name. That helped. Puff. There you go. Sorry. On the end of short. Two vowels walking. First one does the talking. Here they go. On the end of a long word, it says, short word, it says, OW also says, O like in, don't forget. Three ers. C says, but sometimes it's a soft C and it says like S. G says like in, but sometimes it's a soft G and it'll trick you and it'll say like in. Like in, like in, like in, like in. Shh. Silent letter. Like in. What in the world? Can you say it? Like in, nay. You did great. Will you do it again later? Please do. I love you.